Welcome home. I'm Petsis, Realtor with the Plowman team. And today we're going to tour this one-of-a-kind home for sale in Bowmanville. Address is 33 Stevens Road. This home is complete with stone interlock landscaping all around the house with a brand new lawn. It sits on over 2.5 acres of private ravine lot, just minutes away from all of your amenities. The grand entrance with 18-foot ceilings filled with natural light above. The house features herringbone hardwood floors on the main level. This elegant dining area features textured walls and seats 12 comfortably, perfect for hosting those family events. Step inside this beautiful open concept kitchen, tiled throughout with brand new stainless steel appliances. Check out the amazing views into your beautiful backyard. Sit back and unwind in this cozy family room with a custom stone fireplace overlooking the abundance of nature in your own backyard. After a long day, you get to relax and feel pampered in your 5-piece ensuite bathroom with heated floors and a skylight. It's like having your own spa. Thank you for taking a tour with me today of this beautiful one-of-a-kind home in Bowmanville. If this home caught your eye, feel free to call the number below for an exclusive tour. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on our latest homes for sale.